Introducing VariKwik by Cadco. Imagine fast cooking today's most popular foods without using any microwave energy. VariKwik uses tri-heat technology to prepare food quickly, never compromising the taste or composition of the food. In a very short period of time, approximately 30 seconds, you can serve a hot croissant. In under 1.5 minutes, serve a crispy, hot, open-faced sandwich that is never chewy. Or within 4 minutes, a popular pizza pie cooked from refrigerated state. The type of hot foods that you can quickly prepare is only limited by your imagination. Touchscreen controls make VariKwik easy to use. Simply choose the day part, select your choice of food, place the food onto the heat plate and press the pre-programmed recipe button to start. The digital controls give you the flexibility of modifying a program or adding recipes. VariKwik also tracks activity data such as hours of use, temperature information, and other useful service diagnostics. VariKwik is available in 120 volt and 220 volt options at a price that any food service operator can afford. For more information on this product, feel free to visit VariKwik.com. VariKwik, fast cooking without microwave, by Cadco.